So you playing outside today? Did you have fun on your snow day today?
Yeah.
Did you eat some snow? I wouldn't eat snow no more. I used to do that when I was little.
It's so cold.
Is it cold? It's been a long time
I'm
since
wearing
it's
like
snowed.
3 socks and my feet are freezing.
You need some boots.
I have boots.
Looks really nice out here. The snow looks really beautiful. Look.
Better stop snowing.
Look at those trees. Looks like a winter wonderland. How many inches that is?
It looks like 4 now.
Yeah, it's about 4 or 5.
Oh, it looks so much.
It's even in the left.
Should build a snowman. Look at that tree.
It's probably freeze tomorrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to go down to 17 tonight. It will freeze all of this. Whoa, I don't want to step in that water over there. I don't have on boots.
We can make snow, man.
Let's just make a snowman.
No.
All right, come on, let's make a snowman. It's really cold. Roll a snowman on the back porch. Well, nah, you...
I still have gloves and I still can't feel
We need some better gloves.
it. Yeah.
Otherwise, we're not going to be able to roll a snowman.
I'm gonna put this tree on.
Those kids are over there playing.
I'm going inside.
Okay, no, Mario, you have the ball. How are we gonna finish it?
Finish the snowman? We'll have to find some gloves. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to roll a snowman.
Maybe we can do it.
Sun coming out. It won't melt all this stuff.
It don't matter.
Nah, it's not going to melt.
Hopefully it
It can't melt all this. It's almost nighttime.
Let's do live.
It's not going to work. Can't put that on the tree branch. You got to have a swing for that. That ain't going to work at all.
No, I way down the tree.
Yeah, you can't do
The
that.
tree might fall on you.
You might can one day get some. I know what you might could do. You might could get like these like hooks or something where you can drill it in a tree.
What is a tree right?
But it will have to be 2 trees like side by side, like close. But I don't think there are any out here for it.
Yours too.
Nah, they have to be close.
Let's do right there. Or two
Nah, they would have to be really close.
like that too.
Nah, it would have to be closer.
Put it on.
There's no way to do that.
Put it on. Goodbye, trees. Goodbye,
It's a
fake.
big snowball. Let me see.
Can we put this on?
That's not gonna work. That's gonna fall off.
It don't matter. It's gonna go.
It will fall off.
What'd you say?
It gonna fall off.
That's not gonna make it up there.
I'm holding. I'm holding. There's snow on my face.
It gonna fall off.
No, you can't go on that.
No one can get on that. That's too low to the ground.
Sit
You
on
need to
it.
get a swing for that.
Sit on it. The tree almost fell. No, it will fall.
Your branch won't.
Yeah, it will. It's so cold outside.
Oh.
Get up. What are you doing, Jordan?
Don't sit on the ground.
I touched the snow to get up. I'm still cold.